So here's a tip. Men can do laundry too. One of the things I like to do around the house is help, and something I can help with is loading the dishwasher because I know how to do it right. Other people in the house who won't be named do it wrong, and I got to redo it again. And doing the clothes. Doing the clothes is easy. So, you just put the detergent in there, fill it with water, throw the clothes in. Well, sometimes what happens is that I load a lot of colors together, white and dark, and my wife has a lot of dark clothes that apparently the white lint from the towels gets on it, and it's an irritation to her. So let me tell you how she helped me to understand that there was another way to do that. You see, she didn't come out and get critical and criticize me for making this mess, but she said, first of all, Mark, I want to thank you for doing the laundry. And then here's what she did. She said, next time, why don't you keep the colors separated? And when you do that, what'll happen is the black won't have any lint on it, and the white will be clean, and it'll be a lot easier to fold and put away. You see, I want you to see what she did. She didn't become critical and attack me for the things that I did wrong that were obviously incorrect. But she acknowledged the things that I'd done well, and then she told me, next time, try this. You see, we can't undo the past, and that's sometimes the things we get into when we try to coach people or change people. Don't do that stupid thing again. You can't undo it. I can't change what happened last week. I can't change what happened yesterday. I can't change what happened last hour, but I can change what happens in the future, and that's what she did. She said, in the future, why don't you try this? And she gave me a suggestion, and she offered me some benefit from that suggestion, and then she asked me if I could do it. And I said, sure, babe, I'll do that. And I do most of the time remember that, although sometimes I still get forgetful or maybe even be lazy. But the words that she chose helped me to be more receptive. That's leadership. When we have conversations with folks, in order to get commitment, in order not to separate or create conflict in the situation, think about the words that you choose. Don't nag about yesterday, but talk about opportunities and get commitment for the future. That's leadership, right? Make sense? All right.